Hey guys, so today's project, it's another quick little project that we did for my mom's house. It's kind of a corner of her house that she's always mentioned she wanted something done with, but just never got around to it. And it's also right by her guest bathroom. And so everybody who comes over has to go see that corner of the house, and she just didn't love it. So I decided to tackle it for her. Well, I say but most of it was done by my husband, Isaiah. I let him kind of tackle the tougher stuff because I am 32 weeks pregnant right now, and I just handed him the hard bits, and I kind of did what I could because I am low-key on a bed rest order, so I was really good at telling him what to do during this project. But it turned out really good, and it was really quick and easy. I think we spent around $200 to do this little alcove nook area, and I just wanted to upgrade the guest bathroom a little bit just because it's all right there in that little area and it was just kind of blah. So we spent a couple days and a little tiny bit of money, and it looks really, really good now. But I do just want to touch on a few questions that I've been getting on a lot of the DIY house flipping videos. If you have been following me for a while, you know that my dad, that's just what he's always done my whole life. He's been in the real estate world. So we just kind of grew up with him doing that. And I've been asked questions like, how do we know how to budget these projects, or how do we even find the properties in the first place? And my dad actually does live trainings every Tuesday. I'll link the website below. It's just rgdinvestors.com/apply. But you can log into his live trainings and he can really help you figure out how to kind of navigate. He helps people who've never done it before or who want to learn how to start investing in real estate. So yeah, for anybody who's been wondering kind of how we got started in the whole house flipping DIY stuff, it's through my dad, and you can check him out at the link below. Okay, so I will just get right into the project. Again, it's a lot of my husband doing it while I'm standing there in the background. I definitely made the game plan for the project and did all the measurements. I just kind of told them, this is what I want, put it together please. So if you want to see this little quick before and after of this little guest bathroom area for my mom's house, then keep watching. I went through and just measured where I wanted the shelves to sit, and then I went through and found all the studs so that we can pre-drill holes into the wood. Okay, we are ready to wallpaper our little sections here. I did go ahead and pre-measure all of those and cut them up. So you do have to like get pretty precise just so that they line up perfectly. I did do all this wallpaper in here yesterday, and we're in the process of framing out this little mirror. Ew. I think it'll be really nice to kind of have it here and then continue on right here. It was a nice, quick and easy and cheap little upgrade to this bathroom, but I think when it's all done, it'll look good.